Hello guys, today I'm going to do a video of my new vacuum, or one of them. This is the other one down there, Henry. It's 2015 model by the way, but that will be coming up next. But here's my Hoover Junior. It's a model U1104. I believe the colour of this is mink and rose white. I believe Roger's got one very similar to this. It's quite scratched up. I bought this from KDS for £20. Let's put it over here. They're going to see better. The handle release is broken on it. I don't know how to. Well, it's not broken as such, but I don't know how to fix it. But it still works. We got the release pedal and the switch. We got the front cover plate, the thing on the side. We've got the bag. The bag is in pretty good condition, although it has been sewn at the top, but that doesn't really bother me as long as it works. Inside we have our bag with the top fill tube. Here is the top fill tube, and that goes in there. It's got some random elastic band on there. Goes in there like that. It's got a bit of dirt in the bag, but it's okay. So the bag you can just pull off with this little clip thing like that, and it just comes off, which is good. And you just hook it back on, and then it goes on again. So let's try and do this. That's it. Go. Right, and the thing falls down on me. Let's turn it over. Any of you can date this for me, that would be very helpful. We've got the activator roller, very scuffed up plate on the bottom. Here's our rating sticker. There, I'm guessing it's from 84-ish, but I'm not too sure. So any of you who can tell the date of these things, tell the date of that would be very helpful, and maybe make a video on how to date these. But we'll unwind the cable on it. Quick, that's it. So that goes like that, and I'll do this with the other one. Hook that over there. And I've got the plug. Plug it in there. Old ever ready plug. Didn't come with that though, but I'll put that on. But here we go. Oh, it's all tangled up. That's it. So it works okay, I suppose, for 80s or late 70s Junior. I suppose, I believe it's 80s one, this is. I'm not sure. But we'll just wind the cable up. I've hoovered in it today, so I don't want to hoover too much. Already the carpet's worn out. Yeah. There's this one. I don't know really where to put the plug on this. I need one of them little Dyson clip things. But anyway, that's it. There you go. So thank you for watching, and bye for now.